Have you been in a trade but afraid if it will turn out well or not? Have you been trading Crash 500 index and got caught out by a drop? What am I doing wrongly that keeps getting me caught out? Can I catch the drops? Watch this video till the end and see how trading Crash 500 index can make you rich. First thing first, what is Crash 500 index? Crash 500 index is a synthetic index that you can only find on Deriv broker. On average, one drop occurs in the price series every 500 ticks. It is a very easy asset to trade with a lot of profitability. It becomes difficult for newbies to trade because 1. Newbies think you should make profit every single time you enter a trade. That means they don't want to record a single account of loss. They are either trying to be perfectionist or afraid of committing to risk. In trading, there are no perfectionists. Even the banks lose money. 2. They want to catch the spikes or drops as some coaches out there claim to do. They think the Relative Strength Index Indicator (RSI) is a holy grail. They think the overbought and oversold regions represent times to catch a spike. No, you can't make money trading Crash 500 with indicators. 3. They want quick money, hence they trade the 1 minute time frame thinking to catch the drops or the wrinkle bars retracement as they call it. They use the moving average crossovers and the relative strength index indicator. This doesn't work. They may occasionally give you profits, but this is also why you easily lose them. How then can you trade Crash 500 index and be profitable? What is the proper way to trade Crash 500 index and make profits? 1. Understand that this asset is a highly trending asset. Hence, you should know what a trend is. What constitutes a trend? What begins a trend? How do one join a trend? How do one know the possible end and change of a trend? 2. Trends are not elaborately visible or declared on the small time frames. Look at the bigger time frames such as the daily, 4-hour and 1-hour time frames. 3. Have a simple, singular but clear strategy on joining a trend such as the price pathway strategy taught in this channel. You should go back to the videos on this channel and learn more on how to use the price pathway strategy to join a trend. I know it sucks, right? But you have to learn what a trend is. I will put a link in the description that explains the price pathway strategy in details. Thanks for watching.